Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on the new coloring edit for an aesthetic video in CapCut. So this step is pretty simple, and what you need to do first is import your clips and just go to adjust and set the brightness and also the contrast of the video into -50. And set the saturation into 50 and click on sharpen and add it into 100. And the last step is click on the highlight and set it into -50, and you'll get that aesthetic video 5 for your video just by following a few steps that I did before. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.